Welcome to paradise. I figure this is probably more interesting than beautiful sunrises over and over again. Hope you enjoyed that. Because we have our first kind of immediate issue. For those of you unfamiliar with Land Rovers, the swivel decided to barf its guts out through the ABS sensor thing. And I don't know why, and it's only on this wheel. And it's a mess, and also the wheel does a weird clunking noise when I'm not on the brake. And I don't know what it is. And nothing seems loose, so it's probably inside and it's probably bad. And we're also leaking oil out of pretty much every place a Land Rover can leak. And look how filthy this thing is. Nah. Yep.
Yeah.
Let us introduce you to our perfectly working, absolutely flawless water system, which is not at all my idea. You take this. Un momento, por favor. I kind of missed the plot. Now to the actual genius of this plan. You take this with your water and move it up to your engine. Next, you have to set this up. So we actually stole this system shamelessly from the Sony side, and I'm not going to present it as if it was my own idea. So there's a heat exchanger in the cooling system, right about here. So when the engine is hot and running, hot water circulates through it. And with this pump pumps the water from the bucket through the heat exchanger, and on this end we get warm water. And this is to do the dishes, and after that I am going to take a shower because I look disgusting. You don't want to see this. You want to see it from a distance. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Not much else to tell. We're bound for Lisbon in a couple of days to get parts that are missing so that we can hopefully show you George in all its glory, in all his glory, next time around. Or the time after that. By the way, we had sunsets like this for like the past 6 days. And we usually sleep with a view. Jealous?